Dolphins are among the most intelligent creatures on Earth. From using tools to forming lifelong bonds, these ocean geniuses continue to surprise us. Living in pods, dolphins communicate through a series of unique clicks and whistles. These sounds are not just random noises, they're actually a form of sophisticated social interaction. In fact, each dolphin has its own signature whistle, much like a name. In some regions, dolphins have been observed using sea sponges as tools to protect their sensitive beaks while foraging. This clever adaptation helps them search for food without injury, a remarkable example of problem solving. Unlike most animals, dolphins recognize themselves in mirrors. This self-awareness is a rare trait in the animal kingdom, proving their cognitive abilities are more advanced than previously thought. Their vocal repertoire includes clicks, whistles, and body language, which they use not just to communicate, but also to navigate murky waters. Some studies suggest that dolphins even have dialects unique to their parts. Dolphins are not just intelligent, they are also highly compassionate. There are countless stories of dolphins helping injured members of their pod and even protecting humans from predators. Dolphins remind us that intelligence is not only about problem solving, but also about connection, empathy, and the joy of living. But for now, let's enjoy some scene from this amazing animal.
Thanks for watching. Until next video, like and subscribe for more mini wild moments.